Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting on this Swiss franc JPY. Let's start with our trend. We will have to zoom it out to understand our full trend. And you can clearly see that our overall trend on Swiss franc JPY is clearly an uptrend move. So we are having a movement to the upside. This is it also here which we've plotted our trend line. This is our high. This is also the higher low. You can see that we are literally trending. I want you guys to understand this movement. This is also our high, higher high. This is also the higher low. Here is the higher high. And here is our higher low. This is also the higher high. Here comes the higher low. Here is also our higher high. You can see that this is our higher high that took out this previous high. Here is our higher low. So you can see that this higher low have not only pulled back but has also tapped our trend line. And now our next movement on Swiss franc JPY is a new higher high. So you can see that we are now ready for the bullish move to the upside this week. So this week will be a bullish move for us on our Swiss franc JPY. For day trade, for swing traders, position traders, you can now start hopping in for the buy on Swiss franc JPY. Now this is on our 4-hour time frame. Markets pushed up from this our trend line. When it got tapped, it pulled back and tapped our trend line. It rejected, it pushed up, then pulled back to test it again. Guess what? It failed to break below it. If it had broken this trend line, if it had broken this trend line, right, we would expect it to continue to drop more. But since it failed to break below it, the market pushed up. So that is an indication that market is now ready for the movement to the upside. So since we now had this push up, expect just a little bit of a comeback, pullback, and then another movement is what we should expect. So with this movement, if you are to enter from here, see it's gone to our previous high. This you should be grabbing about 250 pips. So about more than 200 pips potential movement is what you would catch this week on. You will likely catch this week on your Swiss franc JPY. So you can see that this is a massive movement, massive pips for the week, by the way. So expect more bullish to the upside on Swiss franc JPY. If there's going to be any updates, I'll give you guys the updates in the Telegram. So you need to follow the Telegram. I'll put a link to the Telegram in the comment section.